In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello templates, both card and board, in a straightforward tutorial. By the end of this guide, you'll be navigating Trello templates like a pro, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. So, let's dive right in. First of all, you'll want to open up Trello. If you already have it bookmarked on your browser or an app on your device, go ahead and navigate there now. For those new to Trello, it's a versatile project management tool beloved for its simplicity and flexibility, perfect for individuals and teams alike. Once you've arrived at the Trello homepage, it's time to log in. Trello offers several login options, so choose the one you're most comfortable with. You might use your email, Google account, or any other available login method. If you're new, you can quickly create an account before proceeding. After logging in, you'll need to select your workspace. Workspaces in Trello are like your project hubs. They organize all your boards, keeping your tasks and projects neatly compartmentalized. If your project spans multiple areas or teams, having separate workspaces for each can be incredibly helpful for staying organized. Now, let's create a new board. You can do this by clicking the Create New Board option within your selected workspace. Here, you'll have the opportunity to add a name to your board. Take a moment to choose something descriptive that reflects the board's purpose. Once you've entered a name, notice the Start with a Template option. This is a key feature that can save you time by using pre-configured templates instead of starting from scratch. Select this option, then click Create to set up your board. Next, let's talk about Trello card templates, which are equally valuable for repetitive tasks or projects. Begin by creating a card inside one of your lists. This is where you'll add any specific content, like tasks or goals you want to track. You can enrich your card with checklists, attachments, or labels that align with your project needs. Once your card is filled with the desired content, open the card to find the Make Template option. By selecting this, you convert your card into a template signified by a badge displayed on its front. This new template allows you to easily create new cards with the same setup, ensuring consistency and saving time in the future. With these tools at your disposal, using Trello templates can drastically enhance your workflow efficiency. By utilizing both board and card templates, repetitive processes become streamlined, leaving you more time to focus on what really matters. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips on maximizing productivity with Trello. See you next time.